Hello everyone, my name is Thorsten Kracht. Welcome to my newly created channel, PlayfullComputerGraphics. Well, I like to write programs that produce interesting graphics. And I'm here because I hope to find other programmers on YouTube who share the same interest. So what exactly is my field of interest? Well, I wrote programs for fractals, like the Mandelbrot set, which you see next to me, or strange attractors. And I'm also interested in simple simulations. And now and then I implement algorithms that just give nice graphics. Well, what do these little projects have in common? Of course, they produce nice graphics. But it's also important for me that the images show some sort of randomness, some chaotic behavior, if possible. This catches my attention. It's a little bit like Campfire, which is always fun to watch. Now I would like to give you a short demonstration to show you what I'm talking about. I will zoom into the Mandelbrot set with my application. I will not show the graphical user interface today. I will do this in a separate video where I explain all the details. Okay, let's select this area. Zoom in. I visited this area before, of course, to make sure that I have something which I can show you. Maybe go here, here, here. Okay. So I think the size is okay now, but the resolution is really bad. So far I used a maximum iteration of 512. I will change this to 1024. Or maybe I should go to 2048. Then I will apply some shading. I will add some depth. And since there are so many bands, I will remove them with the smoothing algorithms. Okay. Then let's check the color. I use the power norm now. And I will change the exponent a little bit. This is very yellow, a little bit reddish. Okay, I go back to the original exponent. So this is the first part of the demo, and it showed you how responsive the program is. Now, for those of you who have no idea what the Mandelbrot set is, I prepared some plots. I just go through it. This is another area. Here you see that I use a specific coloring scheme with a very vague contours, and some a little bit dark, some other place. Okay, maybe this one. Another structure. It's really nice. For me, it's really nice. And here, okay, what I'm doing, I'm loading PNG files, and my compute parameters are read from the metadata of the PNG file. So what I have here is a live plot. So I can zoom into this. I can change the color, yeah, as if I created it manually before. So I will reset the plot now, and I'm done with a short demo. I think that's enough to show you what I had in mind. Okay, I should say a few words about the software interface. I use Python as a scripting language and PyQt for the graphical user interfaces. I use numpty for the calculations and the data handling, and matplotlib for the graphics. And this is true for all my applications. To be honest, for the Mandelbrot set, speed matters, and therefore I wrote the innermost loops in C and used Python as an interface to Python. And this gives me a speed up by a factor of 5 to 7. In this case, it really matters. However, it's just an option. So if the program doesn't find Python installed on a computer, everything will be done with numpty. The graphical output will be identical, just the speed is a little bit slower. And then I would like to make one important point. It's I like to play with the graphics. I like to see how the plots change if I change graphical attributes, display parameters and parameters used in the calculations. And this has to happen in real time, like you have seen it for the Mandelbrot set. This is very important for me. Okay, what happens next? Well, I will create a video for the Mandelbrot set with all the explanations, and I will publish it. Then I will upload the code to GitHub, and then I will proceed with my other projects. From GitHub you can download the code, run it, and create your own images. And I hope that I will receive some feedback like comments, bug reports, or even feature requests. This would be great. In fact, this is the main purpose, as I said, of this channel, that I like to get in contact with other programmers. So I hope you enjoy my implications, and I thank you for watching.